So, children, we are going to study about a very important concept of factorization in our of algebraic expressions. So, now first thing is, what is factorization? You should understand the literal meaning of it. Suppose you ask for around 15 rupees from your mom, all right? So your mom will give you 15 rupees, right? 15 rupees. Or you can ask your mom, give me 5 into 3 rupees. That also is 15 rupees. So you are expressing 15 in form of products of its factors. Suppose you have to ask 30 rupees from your mom. You can write it 3 into 5 into 2. So this will be factorized from, if you ask this way or this way, your mom will give you 30 rupees in total. So first thing is to remember, factorized form, if you write for any expression, the product form or the factorized form should be equal to the sum or the difference or whatever, or it should be equal to the expression which you have factorized. For example, if I ask your parents, give me 5a plus 5b rupees. So this is an algebraic expression. So if suppose the value of a is 1 and value of b is also a value of b is 2, say for example. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So mother will give you total of how much? Total of 15 rupees. But if I write it in factorized form, I will take 5 common and a plus b. Now the value of a was 1 and value of b was 2. So a plus 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So 5 3s are 15. Therefore your mother will give me 15 rupees, calculating this way or this way. I mean to say our parents. I am talking about our interaction. My mother will give this much. So one thing you remember, factorized form is equal to the sum form or whatever form the algebraic expression is. That you have to remember, that if you can multiply and get back the original expression, you will come to the original expression by multiplying it. Okay, so now we move to some of the examples of factorizations of algebraic expressions. So just a second. So first, you understood, did you understand? Take a very good look on the board. Now let us do the sums. It's not very tough, it's very easy. Now initially 4x square plus 20xy. Now 4x square means what? 4x into x plus 20 means 4 into 5 into x into y. And normally, so 4x here and 4x here is common. So I take out 4x. Now this is left. X plus 5 is left and y is left. So now this is the factorized form of this. I can get back this 4 into x is 4x square, 4 5s are 20xy. So I can get the value back. So this is there. You can always pause and have a look. Now two a m plus n minus 3b m plus n. So I take m plus n is present in both, so that is multiplied, so I can take it common. Now I am left with 2a, the minus sign will always come, minus 3b. So this is the factorized form of this expression, and if I multiply it back, I'll get the same thing. Next is 8 3a minus 2b the whole square minus 14 3a minus 2b. Now I take up 3a minus 2b. Now see, 8 and 14, they have got a common factor 2. So I'll take 2 out, and then this means 3a minus 2b into 3a minus 2b. So 2 times it is there, it is only 1 time. So I'll take only 1 time common. Now I have to have a bracket and see what is left after taking this out. So 2 4s are 8. So I will need a curly bracket. 2 4s are 8 and 3a minus 2b will remain there. And then 2 sevens are 14 and 3a minus 2b is gone. So I can now write this as 2 3a minus 2b, 4 3 is a 12a, minus 4 2 is a 8b, and minus 7. So this is complete factorization. Now in the previous example I said factorization of 30. So it was 30 can be written as 3 into 10, but that is not the complete factorization, because 10 again can be broken down into its prime factor 5 into 2. So 3 into 5 into 2 is complete factorization of 30. Similarly, we have to do complete factorizations always, that you remember. Now we go to the next one. Next is this question: x square plus xy minus 2xz minus 2yz. So we plan here. If I take x, then in the bracket I will get x plus y. So I am grouping the same term here. Now then here what will happen? If I take 2z common, then I'll get x and y, and there is a minus sign out. As soon as the bracket closes, the sign will change if there is a minus sign outside. So let us see x plus y minus 2z, and then what happens? X plus y. अब इन दोनों x plus y को हम लोग कॉमन ले लेंगे. We will take x plus y common, and then I will be like this. So इस तरह से फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे हम लोग. सो यहाँ साइन चेंज होता है जब माइनस बाहर लेते, क्योंकि जब गुना करेंगे तो 2z और y को तो माइनस 2yz आ जाएगा. माइनस प्लस माइनस होता है. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट वन. अब देखिए यहाँ आपको 3a माइनस 1 है, यहाँ 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा तो 3a, और बाहर माइनस है तो माइनस 1 ला सकते हैं. तो दो स्टेप में ये फैक्टराइज होगा. 3a माइनस 1 द होल स्क्वायर, माइनस 3 हमने कॉमन लिया तो अंदर बच गया, सॉरी 2 कॉमन लिया तो अंदर बच गया 3a माइनस 1, क्योंकि 2 बाहर आ गया और यहाँ पर प्लस का साइन है, बाहर माइनस है तो साइन चेंज होगा. नाउ इट विल बी 3a माइनस 1. I will take common, so I will be left with 3a minus, I will be left with 3a minus 1, यहाँ बच गया, और minus 2. So I will get how much? Let us see. I will be getting 3a minus 1 का whole square, so I have got this. Then it will become 3a minus 1 into 3a minus 3. Obviously you would have taken what to say 3 common again in the last, but it's okay. Now here you can go with a complete factorization, 3a minus 1, and you take 3 common here, so a minus 1 will come. So this is the final answer. So now sometimes you will come across where there is interchange of terms. Then what to do? 5x a minus b the whole square minus 6y b minus a the whole square. Now see, b minus a minus b is equal to minus b minus a. Check how? If I multiply minus b and plus a, so it becomes a minus b. See, if I multiply, I can prove this, minus b and minus minus plus a. So if I rearrange in right, I come to the same term. That means if I exchange the term with negative sign inside, in between, then I have to take minus common. So I will do that here. 5x, because here we have got a minus b, and to take a minus b, I have to put this also as a minus b. इसको भी a minus b करना है. तो 6y a minus b. लेकिन ये परमिशन किसने दिया हमें? तो हम जानते हैं b माइनस ए को नेगेटिव a माइनस बी लिख सकते हैं. तो इसका नेगेटिव और यहाँ का नेगेटिव, ये साइन चेंज करेंगे तो टर्म उलट सकते हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, इसको बार बार पॉज करके देखिए. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? नाउ आई कैन टेक a माइनस बी कॉमन, सो आई एम लेफ्ट विथ 5x, और एक a माइनस बी यहाँ बच गया, यहाँ पर प्लस और 6y. So that is the whole thing. It has come like this. So I can write it now. Final 5, then 5ax minus 5bx plus 6y, that is the final factorization. लेकिन हाँ, अगर आपको अगर यहाँ पर स्क्वायर होता, सो यू पॉज इट एंड सी, हमेशा जब भी साइन टर्म्स दोनों सेम नहीं हैं, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा मैथमेटिक्स में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं कि m माइनस n इज इक्वल टू माइनस m माइनस n इज इक्वल टू माइनस ब्रैकेट n माइनस m. नाउ लेट अस सी, अगर लेकिन स्क्वायर करना है a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर का और b माइनस ए का होल स्क्वायर एक ही होता है, यानी हम अगर स्क्वायर जब इवन पावर्स रहेगा तो हम टर्म उल्टेंगे तो साइन चेंज नहीं करेंगे, और जब ऑड पावर रहेगा तो टर्म उल्टेंगे तो बस साइन बाहर माइनस कॉमन ले लेंगे, क्योंकि इसका भी एक्सपेंशन सेम है और इसका भी एक्सपेंशन ये है ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस टू ए बी, या बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस टू ए बी. तो यहाँ पर देखिए जैसे हमें क्या मिल रहा है, 2a m माइनस एन द होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3b n माइनस m द होल स्क्वायर. तो हम यहाँ पर 2a m माइनस एन द होल स्क्वायर लिख दिए प्लस 3b, और यहाँ पर भी m माइनस एन द होल स्क्वायर लिख दिया. हमने यहाँ टर्म उल्टे, लेकिन चूँकि स्क्वायर है तो वी विल नॉट चेंज द साइन. अब दोनों जगह शायद, अब दोनों जगह क्या कॉमन है, m माइनस एन द होल स्क्वायर, हमने m माइनस एन द होल स्क्वायर बाहर ले लिया तो 2a प्लस 3b बच गया. सो लाइक दिस वी हैव टू गो. The last one is probably here there will be a cube. Okay, we'll check on that, right? So a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. We take a common, then it will become a square plus 1. Here I take minus 3 common, so a square the sign changes plus 1, and I will write it as a square plus 1. I have taken this common, so we are left with a minus 3. Thank you, children. So I feel that when you watch videos on YouTube, your comments should not be only like this and this and that. You do like one example of this on your own, you make and post there. So that will be nice for other children to learn. Those are good. You should always put one same type, like I changed the term, one same type from book post, so that we enrich each other. It's not a this platform is for you to enrich each other. You can act on that comment, and my students of standard 8th and 9th who will be taking up this factorization should see. I've got more videos ahead for with splitting the middle term, etc. what we need in factorization. Thank you.